back to this video session of maths. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.3. Here we discuss about the area of trapezium. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 2.3. Trapezium. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, here AD and BC equal means then it is known as isosceles trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is AD equal to BC, then it is known as isosceles trapezium. Listen, these are the parallel sides A and B, and distance between the two parallel sides, that is height. Then the area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. That is the area of trapezium formula. 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units, where h is equal to height, a and b are two parallel sides. First question, find the missing values. They given the tabular column in this, given height, parallel sides a and b and area. We have to find out the missing one. Listen, first one, write down what they given. H equal to 10 meter and a equal to 12 meter and b equal to 20 meter. We have to find out area. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square meter. 1 by 2 into what is h here? 10 into 12 plus 20. Cancellation, 1 2 is 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 12 plus 20, 32. 32 into 5, 2 5s are 10. Carry over 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. So 160 meter square, that is area of trapezium. Next one, A equal to 13 meter, B equal to 28 centimeter, and they given area equal to 492 centimeter square, that is 1 by 2. Instead of area we have to apply the formula. So 1 by 2 into h into a plus b equal to 492 centimeter square. Now substitute the values. 1 by 2 into, they did not given the h, so write down as it is. A equal to 13 plus 28 equal to 492. Listen, here 2 is in division, so bring this side means h into 13 plus 28, 41 equal to 492. 2 is in division, so bring this side means multiplication. So h equal to 492 into 2. Here 41 is in multiplication, bring this side means division. Now cancellation, 41 1 is 41, here also one time, balance 8 it becomes 82, that is 2 times. So 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter, that is height of this trapezium. And third one, H equal to 19 meter, B equal to 16 meter, and then area equal to 323 meter square. You have to find out the value of A. So 1 by 2 into H into A plus B equal to 323. Bring that to that side. So what is H here? 19 into, we don't know A, plus B is 16. So equal to 323. Bring this to this side means it becomes multiplication. So A plus 16 equal to 323 into 2 divided by 19 is in multiplication. So bring this side means division. Next thing, cancellation. 119 is 19, balance 13. Divide that, 323 divided by 19, that is 1 time 19, balance 13. Bring down this 3, it becomes 133, that is 7 times. 7 19s are 133. So 17 times. So A plus 16 equal to 17 into 2, that is 34. A equal to 34 minus 16. So A equal to 34 minus 16, 18 meter, that is parallel side A. Next one, fourth, H equal to 16 centimeter and A equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find out B, and then area equal to 360 centimeter square, that is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B equal to 360, that is 1 by 2 into 16 into 15 plus B is we don't know, so write down as it is, that is 360. Now 2 is in division, bring this side multiplication. Here 16 is in multiplication, it becomes division. So 15 plus B equal to 360 into 2 divided by 16. Cancellation. 4 4s are 16. 9 4s are 36. So 90. Again 2 tables. 2 2s are 4. Here 45, 2s are 90, again 2 2 cancelled. So 45, that is 15 plus B equal to 45, that is equal to 45. 15 is in addition, it becomes subtraction. So B equal to 45 minus 15, 30 centimeter. That is the parallel side B. Second one, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. Listen. See the parallelogram. Its parallel sides are 20 centimeter and 24 centimeter. The distance between the parallel sides are 15 centimeter, that is the height. Write down what they given. Parallel side A equal to 24 centimeter and B equal to 20 centimeter, and then height equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 into h is 15 into 24 plus 20. 1 by 2 into 15 into 24 plus 20, 44. Now the cancellation. 2 1 is 2. 22 2s are 44. So 15 into 22. So 15 into 22. 2 15s are 30. Again 2 15s are 30. 330 centimeter square. That is the area of this trapezium. Third sum, the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Listen. Imagine this is a parallelogram. Its area is given, that is 1586 square centimeter, and then distance between the two parallel sides, that is height, that is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, this is 84 centimeter, means find out this one. So write down what they given first. Given height equal to 26 centimeter and A equal to 84 centimeter, and also given area equal to 1586 centimeter square. We have to find out B side. Instead of area, we apply the formula, that is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b equal to 1586. 1 by 2 into, what is h here? 26. 84 plus b equal to 1586. Here 2 is in division, so bring the side, means multiplication, and 26 is in multiplication, bring the side, means division. So 84 plus b equal to 1586 into 2 divided by 26. Here the cancellation. 2 tables. 2 13s are 26. 7 2s are 14. Balance 1. It becomes 18. So 9 times 2. 3 2s are 6. So 793 into 2 divided by 13. 793 divided by 13. 6 13s are 78. Balance 1. So 13 one time. So 61. Cancel this, means 61 time. 61 into 2. that is 84 plus B. So B equal to 61 into 2, 122. Here 84 is in addition. Bring this side means subtraction. So we get B equal to 122 minus 84. Two minus 4 is not possible. So 11 becomes 12 minus 4, 8. 11 minus 8, 3. So we get 38 centimeter. That is the parallel side B. This is on the fourth one. The area of a trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. If the length of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. Listen, they given the area of trapezium, that is 1080 square centimeter, and the parallel sides, that is 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. We have to find out the length of the distance between them, distance between the parallel sides, that is height. We have to find out. So solution, write down what they given. A equal to 34.4 centimeter and B equal to 55.6 centimeter, and its area equal to 1080 centimeter square. Instead of area, we have to apply the formula, that is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B equal to 1080. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 into H into, what is here, 34.4 plus 55.6 equal to 1080. Now add these values. 34.4, 55.6. 4 plus 6, 10, carry over 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So 1 by 2 into H into 90 equal to 1080. Now the cancellation, 2 1 is 2, 45 2s are 90. So 45 into H equal to 1080. H equal to 1080. 45 is in multiplication. Bring this side means it becomes division. Now again the cancellation. Ninth table. 5 9s are 45. 12 9s are 108. Put the 0. So remaining values, 120 divided by 5. Again cancellation, 5 1 is 5, 2 5s are 10, balance 2, 20, so 4 times. We get H equal to 24 centimeter, that is the height of the trapezium. That is fifth one. The area of a trapezium is 180 square centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 centimeter, find the length of the parallel sides. Listen, they given the area of trapezium, that is 180 square centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. Listen, A equal to other by 6 centimeter, longer than other by 6 centimeter. So A equal to B plus 6 centimeter. B equal to B centimeter. We don't know the measurement, so one clue is there, that is one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. So take A equal to B plus 6 centimeter. Now the solution, write down what they given. A equal to B plus 6 centimeter and B equal to B centimeter and height equal to 9 centimeter. And also given area, that is 180 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the values of A and B. So apply the formula 1 by 2 into H into A plus B equal to 180. 1 by 2 into 9 into, what is A here? B plus 6 plus B is B. So 180 centimeter, square centimeter. Now 2 is in division, so bring the side means becomes multiplication, and 9 is in multiplication, it becomes division. So B plus B, 2B plus 6 equal to 180. 2 becomes multiplication, so multiplied by 2, and 9 become division, so divided by 9. So now the cancellation, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 2s are 18, put the 0. So 2B equal to 20 into 2, 40, here plus 6, bring this side means minus 6. So we get 2B equal to 40 minus 6, 34. B equal to 34 by 2 is in multiplication now, so it becomes division. So we get B equal to 34 divided by 2, that is 17. So 17 centimeter, that is B value. We know that A equal to B plus 6 centimeter. B is what now? 17. So 17 plus 6, that is equal to 23 centimeter. That is the length of parallel side A. That is the. Now the sixth one, the sunshade of a window is in the form of isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface of the at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. Listen, the sunshade of a window is in the form of isosceles trapezium. Isosceles means the non-parallel sides are equal. So listen, these sides are equal. That is the isosceles trapezium. Its parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter. Distance between them, that is height equal to 6 centimeter. First we have to find out the area and then cost of painting. Listen, write down what they given first. A equal to 81 centimeter and B equal to 64 centimeter and height equal to 6 centimeter. Now area equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 into h is 6 centimeter and a is 81 centimeter plus and b is 64. Now cancel the numbers. 2 1 is 2, 3 2s are 6 and 81 plus 64 5 14. So 145. So 3 into 145, that is equal to 145 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4. So 435 centimeter square, that is area of the sunshade of a window. Now we have to find out the cost of painting. Cost of painting at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square, that is equal to per centimeter 2 rupees means here 435 centimeter square. 435 into 2, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, sorry carry over 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 4 2s are 8. So 870 rupees. The seventh sum, a window is in the form of trapezium whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively, and the distance between the parallel sides is 16 centimeter. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of 15 rupees per 100 square centimeter. Listen. First write down what they given. Parallel sides A equal to 105 centimeter and B equal to 50 centimeter, and distance between the parallel sides, that is height, equal to 60 centimeter. Find the cost of glass used to cover the window at the rate of 15 rupees per 100 square centimeter. So we have to find out first area. Area equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square centimeter, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 60 into 105 plus 50. Now the cancellation, 2 1 is 2, 30 2s are 60. So 30 into 105 plus 50, that is 155. So 155 into 30, 3 5s are 15, carry over 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16, carry over 1, 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4. So 4650 square centimeter, that is area. Now we have to find out the cost of glass. So cost of glass at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. So 4650 divided by 100 into 15. 1 0 1 0 cancelled. So multiply these two numbers. 465 into 15. 5 5s are 25. Carry over 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2. 32. 4 5s are 20 plus 3. 23. 5 465 so 465. 7 9 6. So 6975 divided by 10. In division 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep point. So rupees 697.50 50 rupees. That is the answer. Here 2.3 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise.